Alright, so a few days back I did a video about the Samsung S24 Ultra and I gave you guys some updates about what we can expect. But it now looks like Samsung is trying to copy Apple because it looks like they've actually ran out of ideas and they're now following very closely into Apple's steps. I think by now it's pretty clear that Apple is coming out, or it's rumored to be coming out with a iPhone 15 Pro model, which is going to be based off of a titanium body. And according to a tweet by Ice Universe, which has been a pretty reliable resource of information in the past about Samsung products, he tweeted a picture of a periodic table, which people very quickly then connected to the elements that are being used in the upcoming S24 Ultra. And it looks like we will have a titanium body S24 Ultra as well this time. Now that's all really good news. I really wouldn't mind a Samsung S24 Ultra with a titanium body. It's stronger, it's lightweight as well. It may even look better, but the thing is that we have to keep in consideration the cost which is already pretty much a lot. So iPhones start at around $1,000. A titanium body iPhone would most likely cost around $1,500. And if we see an S24 Ultra with a titanium body, there's a pretty good possibility that it may cost around $1,300, $1,400, which is really a lot of money. And talking about copying Apple, Samsung is also rumored to try and come out with the S24 Ultra with the thinnest bezels possible. So we also know that according to rumors, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is going to come with most likely the thinnest bezels that we've ever seen on a phone at around 1.55 millimeters thick, which is incredibly thin. And it looks like Samsung is also trying to achieve something very similar to that. We still don't know exactly the measurement of the bezels, but it looks like they're going to be obviously thinner than last year's. We also have some more updates on the rest of the lineup. So the S24 Plus was rumored, as I said in my last video, to not come out at all, which means that it looks like Samsung was discontinuing it because of low sales. But it looks like, again, according to Ice Universe, that not only is the S24 Plus confirmed, but it may actually come with a bigger display from 6.6 inches now up to 6.65 inches, which is really not a big difference. Nevertheless, it's still a difference, but a bigger display also means a bigger body, and that also means that there may be actually a bigger battery or room for more components. Who really knows about that? But Ice Universe is a pretty reliable source of information, so I believe pretty much what he's saying. Apart from that, we also know that Samsung is trying to introduce the Exynos chipsets, which is really not something exciting because we know that they lack performance and they really haven't ever been better than the Snapdragon chipset that comes alongside with them. This year we are expected to see Snapdragon's 8 Gen 3 chip, which is going to be the latest flagship chip available right now. And the Exynos chips I'm not going to say they're bad, but they really haven't lived up to the hype of what we've seen. But according to rumors, now this rumor really doesn't have any credibility. There's no backing up to it. I really haven't had any reliable information on this. It's just still a rumor that's floating around. But if the Exynos chip is introduced, it is rumored that they'll have up to a 50% better GPU performance by AMD. Again, I really don't know how true this is, but if that is true, then they actually may be a better chipset than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to do a quick video. Was excited and kind of unexpected to see that Samsung is coming out with a titanium body. But just wanted to share this information. Let me know what you guys think of this latest update on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.